Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to go ahead and save your Google form to your Drive. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page, where in the upper right corner we can get started. We can get started signing up for a Google account if you do not already have one. If you have an account, just go ahead and log in normally. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page where we can get started. So once you have opened it up, you can get started creating a new form if you do not already have one. If you have your forms, you can go ahead and open them up right here from your recent forms. So let's go and take a look at how we can save any form to our Drive. What we're looking for is you want to open up your forms. If you don't already have a form, you can just click the plus button right here. This is going to enable you to open up a blank form. As you can see here, we can go ahead and give it a name. You have your title form, you can give it a description, input questions, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically what we're looking for, I'm going to open up my form right here to show you. I have my tutorial form for a video with a question and so on. So if I want to save it to my Drive, it's very easy, and all I have to do is just right here in the upper right corner, click the three dots. Clicking the three dots is going to open up this new drop down menu where you can take a look at all the options we can access, where you can make a copy, move to trash, and so on. And one of the options is going to be click make a copy. So what you want to do is click make a copy, and this is now going to go and give you the option to copy your document. You can give it a name right here, and you can select where you want to save it. You can choose the folder you want, so you can select your Drive right here, and then once you're satisfied by saving it in your Drive with your name, you can click make a copy, and this is going to go and make a copy into your Drive of your form that you'll be able to access whenever you want. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.